I want you to imagine this. You have spent money on ads, you're refreshing your phone every 5 minutes, and nothing, zero sale. That's not a bad luck, that's a bad product. And here's the brutal truth nobody tells the beginners. Most dropshippers quit their dropshipping business right before they find the winning product. Hey guys, Rana here, and in this video, I'm gonna show you a step-by-step system that every experienced dropshipper use to find their winning product almost every single day. Plus, I'll show you a platform called Fulfillman.com that help you to source and scale those winning products. So stay till the end because literally one product can completely change your life. So without wasting more time, let's get started. Okay, the strategy number 1 is the trend analysis. Before you scroll past this thinking, yeah, I've heard this before, hear me out. Most people do this completely wrong. They pick products they like, products that look cool to them, and that is their big mistake. Actually, you don't want to sell what you like. You want to sell what is the internet already obsessed with. Here's how. Go to Google Trends. It's a completely free and type in the product idea like portable blender, pet hair removal, posture corrector, LED galaxy projector. Now look at the graph. If it's go up, that means real people are actively searching for the product right now. That's the demand. That's the money waiting to be made. But don't stop there. Open up TikTok, Instagram, and a Facebook ad library. Here's a little secret. If you keep seeing the same product being advertised over and over again by different seller, that is not a coincidence. Smart advertisers do not waste their money on the product that don't sell. That repetition is a proof of profit. Strategy number 2 is the product research. And this is where the real magic happens. Let me ask you something. When was the last time you impulse bought something online? Think about why you bought it. It probably did one of the 4 things. Solve the problem you had, made your life easier or faster, look incredibly satisfying or fun, or made you feel something. A dog water bottle solves a real problem. A neck massager kills pain people suffer from daily. A car cleaner gel is so oddly satisfying people can't stop watching. A mini printer just look fun and people want it immediately. That's the formula. Product that make people stop scrolling and say, wait, I need this. Now here where most beginners hit the wall. They find the great product but they can't source it properly. Supplier is slow, product quality is inconsistent, customer leave bad reviews. The business dies before even it starts. And this is exactly the Fulfillman.com is a completely game changer. You don't need to spend hours hunting AliExpress. You can literally send Fulfillman.com a product link or a photo. Their sourcing team will find and source a product for you so that you can start selling it right away. And that alone saves beginners a week of frustration. Strategy number 3, this is where most beginners completely skip validation. Looking cool is not enough. Product has to have a proof behind it before you spend single cent on ads. Here's your 3-point validation checklist. Are other stores already selling it? If yes, that means market is proven. Don't be scared of competition because scared of selling something nobody wants. Does the product content have the high engagement like likes, comments, shares, saves? These are the signals. If people reacting, they are interested, and interest converts to sale. Can someone buy this impulsively? Winning product don't require 10-minute sale page. People see it and they want it immediately. Now one more thing, and this is a critical. Shipping speed can make or break your store. Even highly rated product like 10 out of 10 can destroy your business if your product takes 30 days to arrive. That's the AliExpress trap that literally kills thousands of dropshipping stores. Fulfillman.com has their own private shipping line, which ship the product 4 to 7 days to Australia, 5 to 8 days US, Germany, Italy and Spain, 3 to 5 days to UK and France. Faster shipping means happier customer, better review and more sale. That's simple. And once you find a winning product, Fulfillman.com lets you store your inventory into their warehouse for free, and they also offer a custom branding like your logo on the package, flyers, business card, custom boxes and much more. And that means your store doesn't look like a random dropshipping site, it looks like a real brand, and it will directly increase your conversion rate. Final tip is a mindset shift, and here's the final thing I want to leave you with, and this is the thing I wish someone had told me earlier. Stop chasing the perfect product. Your first product might flop, second two, or even your third, but then suddenly one hits and everything changes overnight. So here's your action plan strategy today. Research trend daily, validate before you spend money on ads, use reliable dropshipping suppliers like Fulfillman.com to source or scale your winning product. Because the right product with the right dropshipping suppliers like Fulfillman.com behind you, that's not a dropshipping, that's a real business. You can also follow the Fulfillman.com on their social media profiles like Facebook, Instagram, and you can also subscribe to their YouTube channel where they create amazing content. So that's the end of this video, guys. I hope you found this video valuable. If so, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos just like this one. Thank you so much for watching this video. Till then, I'll see you guys next time.